If your car's exterior is starting to show signs of age, it may be time to purchase a car buffer. The best car buffers help restore your car's paint job by smoothing out any surface imperfections and adding a layer of shine. The car buffer is an essential tool for automotive enthusiasts who want to keep their vehicles in gleaming condition. They can be used with a foam pad to apply polishing compounds, or they can be used for sanding. There are a number of options on the market, and the best car buffer depends on how you plan to use it. This guide can get you started in your search for the perfect buffer for your car care. toolkit.There are many products to choose, cleaning products that will save you tons of time every week, all with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I conducted extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the top 5 best household cleaning from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. You can find out more about the price and other details in my description, so let's jump right into the video. Number 1. Dual DWP849X Buffer Polisher. Dual is a trusted manufacturer of high-quality power tools, including the Dual DWP849X Buffer Polisher, which is a variable speed polisher. While it costs a couple $100, it was built to last with its wool ingestion shield that prevents wool pads from getting stuck in the motor. Another unique feature of this heavy-duty tool is its soft start. Instead of immediately starting at a wild spin, it gradually works up to speed. This helps to better control the buffer while in use. We really enjoyed working with the Dual car buffer. This orbital polisher was incredibly maneuverable, easy to hold, and didn't bother our review team members when using it for extended periods of time. It offers plenty of power to work with, and we especially appreciated the fact that variable speed settings are denoted in RPM, rather than arbitrary speed rating numbers. Number 2. Avid Power AEP127 Polisher. The Avid Power car buffer is meant for beginners. It has a rubber body so that it doesn't slip in your hands, and it comes with detailed instructions to help you determine which of the 6 speeds to use for the imperfection you're trying to buff out. This car buffer also comes with all of the tools you need for application, including a foam disc, detachable handle, spanner, hex wrench, and foam pads. The Avid Power AEP127 Polisher ships with a number of different accessories and buffing pads, making it a great choice for those new buffing out scratches on their car. So customers like this buffer's affordability. They claim it is easy for beginners to use, because it includes specific directions that tell you what speed to use for different surface imperfections. There are some customer complaints that this buffer stops spinning if you put too much pressure on it. Number 3. Torq 503X TorqX Random Polisher Kit. This car buffer is manufactured by Torq, but sold through Chemical Guys. You can purchase the buffer by itself or in 3 kits that all have different car detailing products from the Chemical Guys company. Kit options include car polisher, omni polisher with buffing pads, and compounds polisher with buffing pads, compounds, cleaner, and conditioner polisher with buffing pads, cleaner, conditioner, and tiles. If your car has many deep scratches, this may be the best car polisher for you. This is a high-speed buffer that offers an RPM speed up to 7,800, which is enough to buff out any imperfections capable of buffing. With a lightweight and balanced ergonomic design, our team members weren't getting fatigued using this polisher meant even after several hours of use. While unable to reach exceptionally high speeds, this car buffer offers more than enough power. Number 4. Meguiar's Dual-Action Car Buffer. As the best dual-action polisher on our list with variable speed, the 5-inch Meguiar's car buffer gives users a professional finish, and one of its key features is an adjustable speed of 3,000 to 7,500 orbits per minute. You don't have to be a professional to get great results either, thanks to its almost 4.5 amp motor, soft start, and multi-position D-handle that make the tool easy to control and comfortable to use. It's an ideal choice for beginners too. One buyer stated that during buffing, the polisher performed flawlessly. Compared to a traditional high-speed buffer, it is much easier to use and much safer, friendlier to paint. The kit includes a powerful 125mm and 150mm dual-action polisher, and many additional products and accessories that make this buy excellent value for money. Polishing pads, wool pads, backing plates, and sandpaper, all of which range in size and/or function, to fit any kind of detailing project, and a bag to keep them all organized. Number 5. Best Car Wax Work Pro Polisher Kit. Simply put, the superior results of the Work Pro Polisher Buffer Kit make it the best car wax polisher in this price range, according to many satisfied customers, one of whom wrote that they got a mirror-like finish on their truck. Key features are its variable speed dial ranging from 1,000 to 3,800 RPM, and 3 different pads that are included in the kit for wax polishing all different kinds of surfaces. One customer concern seems to be that the motor slows down some when pressure is applied, but other customers were able to compensate for this issue by adjusting the speed settings. Many reviewers were able to bring their paint back to life with this random orbit waxer buffer, with one explaining, "It cuts down the time it takes to detail the car, and makes it effortless," and another added that it is flawless with no swirls or holograms effects. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribers my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will